If you're doing this with options, you will lose everything. Not maybe, not it depends. It's just a matter of when and not if. Because every week I watch new traders blow up their account, not because they're dumb, but because they were never taught the difference between trading with a plan and chasing a dream. Today, I'm going to show you the number one mistake that destroys beginner option traders and what to do instead before it wipes you out. And if you want to stop guessing and start trading with a strategy that actually works, check the link in the description. I share every trade I make inside my private community with breakdowns, coaching, and real-time proof. Let's get into this. Here it is. The most dangerous thing you can do with options. You go all in on one trade. You buy short-dated, far out of the money, calls or puts. And you hope the stock market makes a big move fast. And when it doesn't, your trade goes to zero. And you try again and again until your account bleeds out. Let me be clear. Hope is not a strategy. You can't trade like a lottery player and expect to build wealth because this isn't Vegas. This is Wall Street. And Wall Street doesn't care about your feelings. It rewards those who manage risk. This one pattern, high risk, high dream, no plan trading, is why most new options traders fail. So why do people keep doing it? Because it feels exciting. It feels like you're just one trade away from changing your life. You see someone post a screenshot, turn $500 into $5,000 in 2 days. What you don't see is that same person blowing up 10 accounts before that. The real danger? This kind of trading tricks your brain. You get one lucky win and now you're hooked. And you think it's a skill. But it's survivorship bias and it's deadly. You've got to snap out of the gambler's loop and start thinking like a business. I've been there. Early in my trading journey, I bought a ton of weekly options on biotech stocks ahead of earnings. The premiums were cheap. The possible returns? Insane. I thought I was about to get rich. The stock barely moved, and the next day my trade was down 90%. I didn't sleep that night. That was the wake-up call because I realized I wasn't trading. I was gambling with a timer on it. Since then, I've changed everything. My sizing, my time frames, my mindset. Now I focus on defined risk strategies, long-term setups, and trades where I get paid even if I'm wrong, like selling cash-secured puts and covered calls. That's how I've been able to grow consistently without blowing up. If you want to survive and thrive, here's what to do. Risk 1 to 3% of your account per trade, max. Use longer dated options if you're buying. Give the trade time. Avoid lotto tickets. Stick to high probability setups. And sell options instead of buying them if you want to collect premium. And always ask, what's my exit plan if I'm wrong? This is how real traders win. Not with hype, not with emotion, but with discipline and structure. And the crazy part, once you stop swinging for the fences, that's when your results actually take off. Options are the most powerful financial tool available to everyday people. But power without control is dangerous. If you treat options like a get-rich-quick ticket, they'll destroy you. But if you treat them like a business where every trade has a plan, a purpose, and a process, they can give you freedom. It's not about trading every day. It's about trading the right way so you can do this for decades, not just until your next blow-up. Let's recap. If you're going all in on short-term high-risk options, you're gambling. If you don't know your risk before you enter, you're flying blind. And if you don't have a system, the market will chew you up. But the good news, you can change this today. Inside my community, I teach options the way they should be taught. Low risk, real trades, real results with strategies designed to make you consistent, not crazy. If you're ready to stop making donations to the market and start building real skill, click the link in the description and join us. Let's stop trading like gamblers and start winning like pros.